Do you want to learn how to manage money and grow your business with the best books? So, I'm going to tell you what they are. This video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, okay? So, I'll just tell you one thing. Starting a business or managing your money, it can feel confusing. There's a lot of different ways to do it, but the right books can make everything easier. So, if you want to get smarter about the money that you make and invest and businesses, keep watching because these books are going to help you to take action. So, step 1, you're going to find books that teach you the basics of money. So, look for books that explain how to budget, how to save, and how to invest. Learning how to manage your money is the first step to financial success. So, books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki can give you a way new way to think about money. Okay? Step 2, read books that teach you about growing a business. Books like The Lean Startup or Start with Why can give you ideas to start a business and make it successful. You're going to learn how to be smart with your time, with your money, and your resources. So keep those books in mind. And step 3, choose books that inspire you. Books like The Millionaire Next Door or Atomic Habits can really inspire you. I'm sure they will. They've inspired me. They can motivate you to keep going even when things get tough. So these books are going to remind you that success takes time, but you can do it. There's no overnight secret here unless you win the lottery, but that's not why we're here. So if you're ready to get started with your journey, grab these books, get inspired today. Do it on audiobooks if you don't like to read. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. I love you.